Finally, let's talk about the future. Outline your plans for growth and expansion. Provide realistic projections based on your past performance and market research. It's crucial to show investors that you have a clear vision and a roadmap for achieving your goals. To sum up, winning investors over with your track record is about presenting a compelling, honest, and data-driven narrative of your business's journey. Understand your audience, highlight key metrics, share customer success stories, demonstrate market knowledge, be transparent, and showcase your future plans. With these elements in place, you'll be well on your way to securing the investment you need to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on business and entrepreneurship. See you next time. Make the background music upbeat and happy.